It's right here. I kept B for a reason. Okay, you start from the beginning. 1, what area is this? S. How many boxes? 2. S always ends with 2. Okay, now you begin, you next is this. 2, how many boxes? 2S, 2. Now this is full. Moving on. Okay, I want to go to C. So this is 2 from here. This area is called P. How many boxes to get to carbon? 1, 2. Here it is. So carbon is like boron in terms of the electronic structure, except it has 1 more electron in the p orbital. Let's do O. From scratch. 1, S2, 2, S2, and now that's full. You say this is the 2p. How many boxes to get to O? 1, 2, 3, 4. 2p4. Let's do Ne. From scratch. 1, S2, 2, S2, 2. How many boxes to get to the Ne? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes. Okay. Didn't we say P can only take up to 6 because it has 3 orbitals? There you go. Look at your periodic table. Your periodic table actually designed based on the electronic structure of the atom. The P can only take 6 electrons. That's why you have 6 boxes in the P block. The S can only take 2. That's why you only have 2. And the D can take 10. When we get to the D, if you count all of these, you're going to have 10. And the F can take 14. If you count all of these, that takes 14. Very well. So understanding the pattern is really, really more important than memorizing. Let's go now to magnesium. Then we're going to do chlorine. Then we're going to do K. Then we're going to do Fe. And we'll do a few more after that because we want to get to the F orbitals as well and beyond. Okay, let's go to Mg. Start from the beginning. 1, S2. Yes, there's a shortcut. We're going to learn it soon, but you are still required to know this. 2, S2. Feel free to pause and finish it because I will finish it. So if you want to pause, you can pause now and I will finish it. So you should be pausing now. Okay, so you have B here, that's the P, that's 2P. How many boxes? You have 6. And then 3, which area is this? S. How many boxes? 2. 3S2. Finished. Okay, let's do Cl. 1, S2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and then now I have a 3. This area is P, so I have 3P, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3P5. Very well. K is right here. So it's 1s2. 2s2, 2p6, building up principle, or build up principle. Keep that in mind. We're building up. 3s2, 3, this is the S area, S2. 3p6, because I filled up all of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3p6. Why? Because I'm going to potassium. So I have to go through all of these. And then right here, 4s, and this is the S area. And then how many boxes? 1. If it was calcium, it would be 4s2. Okay. Very well. Let's move to Fe. And be aware, for the D, it's 1 less than this. So we're going to get to it in a second. Okay, Fe, 1s2. Notice how with repetition, it becomes familiar. That's the whole point. 1s2. 2s2. 2p6. 3s2. So let me write that down. 1s2. 2s2. 2p6. Yes, you might have said, well, it's the same as the last one. Let's just continue. Fine, but I'm starting from scratch so I can show you where we're at. Okay, so we said this was 2p6. Then you have 3s2. 3p, how many boxes? 6. 4, 2 boxes, S2. And then be careful. Now this is the D area. Remember what I said, and I'm going to shift back to this page. I said N is less than 1. You have 1 less than N, I mean, in this case, N minus 1.